Look at Granddad. Big smile. No, the dogs aren't gonna. Yay.
There's the doggles.
Banana.
There's the
Banana.
bin. There's the banana.
Yay, good boy. Good boy. Righto.
Okay.
Some tingled up.
Oh, hang on, Ken just lost his lead. That wasn't a good start. You slipped his collar. Slippery little.
I think you need me to make it a little bit tight.
I think I do.
Sorry.
Kenji. Come here.
She might have got skinnier.
He's got quite slippery fur, really.
Oh yeah. Because he's nearly always wet.
That's all right. I'll take him. Righto. I'll be ready. You got hold of your dogs because when I open the door, they search.
Oh.
There you go. All right. So the challenge today is more than yesterday. Seems to be keeping them untangled. That's it. So you keep him on a short. You keep him on a short leg. Okay. That's it. Let's go.
Wait.
No. See ya.
Bye.